Hello guys, I'm back again for another video. So once again, before you watch my video or don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you're always updated on my latest video. So for today, we have I saw some applications or collaboration team. So I will present to you the AirSend. So why AirSend to so AirSend, you can use this for collaboration for your team, like in your business, for your personal meeting, and uh, other presentations. So why AirSend? Because AirSend is instantly collaboration for everyone. So they have capability, have a conversation, voice conversation and voice video calls, sharing files, managing your employee tasks or your own tasks, and track the development development and the other works. So and also you have a free space for this one. Right now we are in on a page of the AirSend. So if you want to visit the page, you can go to airsend.io. So for now they have three products or three users if you want to sign up. So let's see our their pricing. So right now, if you see, they have a personal plan. It's free, so no need to pay any or spend any dollar. But you also have a free 5 gig file storage, but they upload, you only have 30 MB for the size of the file size. But is that good enough if you are using on your personal, or like me, I can use the AirSend to store my some files or some tutorial script so that I can share somebody if they want to uh, get a copy for my tutorial script for VCDI and other stuff. And and for other plan, they have a pro plan for a small team or small business. So you can choose the plan AirSend Pro. You need to pay for $4 per month per user, but you have file storage of 100 gig and no limit on the upload. You can upload uh, 20 gig of file size, okay? And you can custom brand the channels, okay? And lastly, for the businesses, so you can go for the business plan, $5 per month per user, and you have a big storage of 2 terabyte file storage, okay? So unlimited internal and guest users. So that's the AirSense. Almost everything it's free. Okay? And why AirSense? Because if you look from other competitors, AirSense is the most cheapest, and they are same application or things you can do on the application. So if you see, you you did not spend more dollar on your pocket. Okay, so now this is all the for the personal, this is all the things you are allowed to do, or what are you can see and what you are can do for the personal plan. And for the pro, okay, you can look here. And for the business plan, because it's a business, you have full control and more or all of the kinds of things are available. So, and also you have priority support and 99% uptime for the servers. Okay, it's the same with the other plan because they are using the same server, I think. And then uh, the best thing here, they have a Kanban workspace. So if you have a team, so you can add the work there and you can see the development of every task, what's done, uh, what other they do. Okay, and also they have pre-integration for your email like the Office 365, Gmail, and G Suite email. Okay, so they have a lot more stuff here. You can see, you will see on AirSend, and it's you can use on your daily work and daily needs. Okay, for meetings, presentations, share screen. They have a share screen. Okay. So for the participant here, for the personal, you only have 7 participants at 60 minutes meeting. Okay. And for the pro, you have 25 participants and unlimited minutes of meeting. And for the business, you have a 50 participant and unlimited meeting minutes. Okay. So right now I will show you because I want to use this AirSend, and uh, they have more, and also you can use any of device. So for the desktop, they have an app for Windows, Mac OS, and on Linux. And for mobile, we have for iPhone, or can get on the App Store and the Google Play. So this is the future. So we have file management, voice and video calling, built-in wiki, task management, Office 365, and Gmail integration, and online communities. Okay, so I will show you. So I will do the personal, so that once somebody they want to ask some copy from my script. Okay, so just type your name and your email address to start, and we can see, or we can check how it's work. Okay, so I just click the sign up. Captcha also way for the security. Okay, so from here you need to get the verification code to your email. So I have my verification code here, then just get verified. Okay, now I have created a channel. Okay, much better. I need to change my name to, okay, and you can contact me here. My Skype and other things. Okay, for now we're going to create our channel. see what it on the advanced, or you can add some description. Okay, and you want to, if you have a template, okay, just create the channel now. Okay, this one you can share your channel to other employee persons or other, or you can create a link then send to, and then you can add your member and so on. Okay, you can add your logo. Okay, then join, can upload my logo. Okay, upload my logo, and I have my own logo now on my channel. Okay, it's good. You can upload some file, I think. Yeah, you can upload a file. Check mp3. Yeah, okay, so we have mp3 and some sample of file. Okay, wow, it's great. Okay, so now we go in, check my files. Okay, so you can create a folder to organize your file. For example, installer, and then you can add some script. Okay, nice. So this is the file management. Okay. How about the other? Let's check. So we can get an, let's see the, okay, just waiting to download the desktop application. Okay, there is no available actions. Okay, let's try to install. Let's see what is the, okay, so let me try. Okay, so let me try to log in. Okay, so what you see on your on the web, so almost same on the application. Okay. Okay, so you can switch to other channel and okay. So you can duplicate the channel. So attach the file and other. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is on how to work with the AirSend. So I just show you on how to sign up and on how to uh, install the or download the application. So once again, AirSend is a good app for the business and individuals. So especially right now, we have on the pandemic, most of our staffs and businesses are working from home. So this is a good application. So you can use so that you can do collaboration work with a single application. So you can do the tasks, you can do the management, you can do the video calls, voice call, share your files, and keep the notes and other conversations. So once again, just visit the airsend.io, click the sign up for free, and then soon you can upgrade to pro, or you can directly go for the business if you are on the business side. Okay, so right here you can see what are the uses. So they use for the remote work, distance learning, sales team, marketing team, customer support, accounting, financial advisory, law firm. They have many work or tasks you can do on AirSend. So they have also on digital marketing. So right now, our most of our marketing use digitals. Okay, so they are sending through social medias, other platform to do the marketing. So from the download, you can download your available apps from your desktop and your mobile phone. But if you are on your mobile, just go to the Google Play, search for or look for the AirSend. You can see the logo of the AirSend, then click that and install it. And just log in your username and password you created on the web. Okay, so that's all for now, guys. So once again, this is HBT tutorial. So I just show you today what is AirSend and what all the things that you can do for the AirSend, and it will help your business to grow and collaborate with your team and meetings with your bosses and staffs. Okay guys, thank you again, bye bye, and don't forget again to like, share, subscribe for HBT tutorials YouTube channel and click the notification bell so that you're always updated on our latest video. Thank you guys and bye bye.